Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a seat cushion that kind of help reduce, minimize some back stress, some stress on the old spine, this unique seat cushion just might be for you. So what we have here is a seat cushion, and it's a little bit different. Visually, obviously, it's a little bit different because it has sort of this U-shaped design. The thickness of this thing is right at about 2.5, about 2 3/4 inch. It has a unique kind of curvature right here. So kind of, is shape of the old gluteus maximus, and it's labeled front this way. So at first I was thinking, oh, your legs go this way. Nope, it goes this way. So this is where, let's just say, the tailbone, sacrum bone, I believe, would go right here. And so there's no pressure here. So there's about a 2.5 inch gap. The cheeks would sit here, and then this is kind of left open to relieve pressure. So the pressure's on the cheeks and not on the actual tailbone area. Very, very unique design. Actually, never saw anything like this before. The top has sort of this velvety material, actually really, really soft, actually. And then the bottom has this like silicone type dotted layout that creates like this extra friction. So when it's seated on the chair, regardless of whatever type material it is, this isn't going to move. It's got some pretty good friction to it. Also, this is set up and it can be undone because this has got a zipper on it. And so the foam insert can be taken out, and then the cover, if you will, can be washed, which is also nice and convenient because, stuff happens. When seated, as mentioned, the back section is here. It actually makes it very easy. Staying front this way, you plop it down. And so when you're seated now, you're definitely raised up. So the adjustment of the height of the seat needs to kind of play into, that comfort level as far as, where you want your elbows and eyes and monitor view and all that stuff. But so you're definitely going to get a lift, but being able to adjust the height of the seat if you happen to have an office chair that allows for a change in height definitely is a plus. But it is definitely noticeable, for sure. Definitely noticeable. There's no pressure occurring at the sacrum, the tailbone area. It's just not occurring. And so if that's important to the user, this is, it definitely does the trick. Hopefully this answered any other questions you might have about this very unique, very specifically designed seat cushion, and we'll tie these in.